In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an invisible username inside Steam on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Steam. So from here, what we need to do is click onto your profile name. I want to quickly set up my Steam profile. So just give me a few moments to do this. Alright, I've quickly set up my profile. Now from here, we want to click onto General and go to your profile name. And now I'm going to leave a invisible username that you can use in the description below. So get rid of your profile name and then Control V. Yep, so Control V. I'm just going to get rid of this. Like so. Now you can see there is nothing here. It looks blank. And now we want to save this, so go ahead and click onto save. So now I'm going to go back to my profile, click on profile. You can see I've got no username here. So that's how to successfully get an invisible username in Steam.